Okay, let's look at stances. We want to look now at the isosceles. Legs, shoulder width, even a little wider. Now, I create with my two arms an isosceles triangle. Very important that I bend my knees slightly and lean forward. Advantages of this position, of this stance, it's very symmetrical. I can shift left or right, fast to acquire. And if I have a body armor, I have pretty much all my most important organs protected. Don'ts, or things that I don't really like. First of all, I am too exposed. If I don't have a body armor, I have all my organs exposed, starting from my privates. I'm a bigger target. Also, if you see, with my legs completely parallel to each other, I have a good support, left or right, but not in this way. I am kind of just, let's say, counting on leaning forward. Something to consider. I would like you that you learn also this. Now we look at modify Weaver. Now my feet are like kind of on a track. They're no more facing forward, but they're about 30 degrees in angle, parallel to each other. I'm erect, and I have the support arm perpendicular to the ground, and the firing arm kind of locked with the shoulder. My elbow slightly bent, and we do what we call this sort of isometric pressure. Firing arm push, support arm pull. What I like about this one, I have less target exposed on my body. You can see I'm not anymore like facing forward, but I am bladed, kind of like a punching position. Now also I can control better the recoil. I want to be showing a little forward, aggressively. This arm, very important, is perpendicular. It controls better, of course, the gun. I don't get tired holding the gun high. Pushing forward, pulling back, good control of the recoil. Very good for accurate shots. Now, only thing I don't like about this much, I need to, of course, also be sure that I'm not going to stay like that, because it's okay to be erect during a target shooting maybe, but in real life you need to lower. Third position, we have now a combat position. It was pretty much analyzed watching several hours, many hours of cameras, body cameras from law enforcement. First thing we noticed, or they noticed, is first of all, everybody duck down. You're not going to shoot like that. Somebody shooting at you, you duck down. Number two, you don't want to keep your leg parallel to each other, but one leg is going to be forward. You're going to now control your balance of your center mass of your body lower. Legs, more than shoulder width, or at least shoulder width, but more important, staggered. One in front, one in back. Now you can also use the isosceles if you want, concept, for faster acquisition if you have body armor, but the point is, boom. We have one leg forward, one leg back, lowering our body, and completely extending your arms, boom. So we also lower our center mass, expose less of our body, we can be faster on target.